What's up, everybody? What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? I am back. Sorry, I haven't posted in a few days. We had visitors, so it was very noisy, and I was craving a Whopper. So I'm at the drive-thru right now, about to get me a Whopper. I ordered some fries, a soda. I won't forget my soda this time. I got some onion rings, some chicken nuggets. I'm about to go eat, and I'm gonna do a car mukbang today because it'll be quiet, first of all. No babies in the background, and no extra talking either. So we'll get to it in a minute. I'm next gonna pay for my food, and then I'm gonna go home, and then I'll see you guys when I start eating. Hi, you guys. I'm back. I'm parked, so now it's time to dig in. I got my soda. Let's get ready for all the burping. Let's see, what should I start off with first? Couple onion rings. My fries. Ranch. I have you guys on my steering wheel right now. Oh, and I got my sweet and sour. Some ranch. Whopper with cheese. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, I remember when I did this last time. All this stuff got to go. Way too loud. What am I gonna do? Let's see if I can. Let's get rid of this loudness. Oh, look how freaking huge. See? Oh, so hungry. Wash it down with an onion ring. I got spicy chicken nuggets too. Where are they? Dip that in some sweet and sour. I'm gonna bite right here next. Big bite. It's been raining on and off for the past few days. I'm so sick of it. Sometimes I get, what is it called? Comments I can't see. I get the notifications, but it's not on the video. So I don't know how to see them or reply back to them. Because I'm pretty good with replying back. But I don't know how to get to some of the messages. And somebody commented that they wanted me to do a burping challenge. So my son wants to do that with me. So I'm stuck in my tooth. Oh, it's coming up, you guys. I hate that when it gets stuck. There you go. Getting stuck no more. Get back to eating. I have one more onion ring left. Comment down below. What should I try next? Dang, I hope I'm not talking too loud with my mic. Yeah, but what do you guys want to see me eat next? My son keeps texting me. Tonight I'm gonna go to a class. It's a workout class and get my Zumba on. I used to do Zumba years and years ago. It was fun. I did it with my best friend up in NorCal. But I moved away to San Diego. My baby girl, she's 3 months old now as of yesterday. She's getting so big. I love her so much. Take another bite. My fries. I was too invested in my onion rings. Let's dip up in some ranch. Getting full. Maybe I'll eat some more chicken nuggets. And some sweet and sour. My son's calling. Sent to voicemail. He's gonna call me again. I've been watching videos of the burping challenge, and I don't know how every time someone takes a sip of their soda, they burp right away. Like, is that burping because of the soda, or they know how to just push it out? I don't burp like that. I think that's why my burps are so loud, because it takes a while for it to come up. Hold on, you guys. He's not gonna stop. Hello? Oh, God. Anywho. Oh, sorry. I'm so loud. Jeez, the mic is right here. But that burp was for you guys, all you lovers. And for the people who don't like my burps, just go to the next video. Go watch something else, because in my title it says big burps. So I don't know why you're commenting, but hey, like Cardi said to all of her haters, they download her music just to listen to it, to talk crap about her, but it's benefiting her. So you guys are benefiting me then. I think that's why a couple years ago when I started making videos and they were more constant, I kind of stopped, or it discouraged me, because I was getting hate comments, and I have to learn to not give a care in the world. I'm sorry, I just spit some food. A care in the world for their hate, their comments. Just ignore it. I used to comment back, but this time I'm not gonna comment back to those hate comments. They could just kiss my A. You guys like the burps? I'm gonna give you guys burps. You guys want a burping challenge? I'm gonna give it to you guys. So comment down below what you guys want to see next, because I'm about to end this video here. I'm really full. Gotta go back upstairs, go check on the baby, my family. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys. Ooh, came back for that. There you go. Little extras, extra bloopers. Putting my stuff away. All right, if I get any more burps, I will go ahead and turn on my camera and film it for you guys. All right.